Rileyville County raised $548 million in real estate taxes in 2021. In 2022, it raised $562 million. In 2023, it raised $504 million. And in 2024, it raised $601 million. What was its growth rate over the time period? Okay, well, you can see I've put the numbers in Excel. Okay, just so we could solve this in Excel, but I'll show you a couple different ways to solve this. Okay, so there's the years and the amount. Now, if you wanted to use the formula, that's the formula you use. The growth rate is equal to the ending value divided by the beginning value. Then you take that to the power of 1 over of the number of years and then subtract 1. Now remember, you have to know the order of operations, right? Order of operations says you do what's in parentheses first, exponential numbers come next, then multiplication and division, and then subtraction. All right, so now I'm going to show you the answers in Excel. I'll go over that in a minute, but I'm also going to show you how you could solve this just pure mathematically using that formula. So let me move this off. Okay, so the beginning value was $548 million, the ending was $601, and the number of years was 3. We're going from 2024 back to the first year of 2021, so that's just 3 years. And then given that formula, we could put in the numbers. So the growth rate is 601 divided by 548, that's millions of dollars, divided by, or taken to the power of 1 over 3, and then we subtract 1. So if you were to calculate that, you'd come up with 3.125%, right? 0.03125. Now, that's not an exact number, but, or actually maybe it is. I haven't proved it, but over here I'm only going to take it to 3 decimal places. Okay. Now, let's show how we could do this in Excel. So we could put in the ending value here, right? That's the 601, and I guess technically we could just point it to where those values come from, right? And then the number of years, I just gave it as 3, but you could also say, well, actually, I guess you could put it as numbers 3. I mean, you could put a year number and subtract, right? Or you could say equal 2024 minus 2021, right? We're going to get 3. I'm just going to format that a little bit so it lines up. And then you could do a growth rate just using formulas. All right, let me slide this up so you can see the formula bar as well. Yep, it's not going to let me show the formula bar, so we'll have to look there. So what have I done here? I've done the parentheses first, take the value in C19 divided by C20. Okay. Take that to the power of 1 over C21, right? And C21 is 3, and then subtract 1. So I'm essentially letting Excel do